Hello, this is Heal Your Mind. Today, I want to talk with you about how to handle arguments with your spouse in a healthier, smarter way. Have you ever thought, why do we fight over the smallest things? Can I really live with this person forever? Every argument feels like we're drifting further apart. Don't worry, having conflict doesn't mean something's wrong. What really matters is how you fight, and more importantly, how you recover afterward. Let's walk through 6 psychology-based principles that can help you not just survive, but grow through conflict. Stick with me until the end, and I hope this gives you a fresh perspective on your relationship. 1. When emotions are high, hit pause before you talk. Arguments often get heated quickly. Your heart races, your voice gets louder, and your words get sharper. That's not you being unreasonable. It's your brain in survival mode, especially the amygdala kicking in. When that happens, don't try to solve anything yet. The best move is to pause. Psychiatrist Dr. Daniel Siegel recommends taking a timeout when things get too emotional. You could say, "I'm really upset right now. Can we take a short break so I can calm down and talk more clearly?" That one sentence can stop a small fight from turning into a painful one. 2. Say "I feel" instead of "you" always. A lot of couples fall into this trap. "You never listen to me. You're always on your phone." This kind of language is called "you" statements, and it tends to trigger defensiveness and make things worse. Instead, use "I" statements to express how you feel, without attacking the other person. For example, "I feel ignored when you're on your phone while I'm talking." It's a small shift, but it can completely change the tone of your conversation and help your partner really hear you. 3. Frame the argument as us versus the problem. Too often, we treat each other like opponents in a fight. "You're the problem. You made me feel this way." But in a healthy marriage, you're on the same team. It's not you versus me. It's us versus the issue. This shift in mindset helps the two of you work together, instead of blaming each other. Try saying, "Can we work through this together?" That one phrase can turn conflict into cooperation. 4. Avoid the 4 toxic habits, Gottman's 4 horsemen. Dr. John Gottman, a well-known relationship expert, identified 4 toxic patterns that predict divorce with surprising accuracy. Avoiding these is critical. 1. Criticism. "You're so selfish." Try, "I felt hurt when that happened." 2. Contempt. Sarcasm, eye-rolling, mockery. Instead, speak with kindness and respect. 3. Defensiveness. "It's not my fault." Try, taking a little responsibility, even if it's just part of the issue. 4. Stonewalling. Shutting down, walking away mid-conversation. Instead, take a break, then come back to talk calmly. These 4 habits can silently destroy emotional connection. But if you're aware of them, you can stop them in their tracks. 5. Always have a repair talk after a fight. Many couples think that if the fight is over, it's better to just move on. Let's not bring it up again. It's fine now. But when emotions go unspoken, they build up. That's why it's important to repair the emotional bond after an argument. You might say, "I'm sorry I got so angry. I didn't mean to shut you out." Or, "I think I missed something important you were trying to say. Can we talk about it now?" This kind of post-conflict conversation brings emotional healing and builds trust. 6. Build your emotional bank account every day. Dr. Gottman also introduced a beautiful idea: the emotional bank account. Each small act of kindness, a warm smile, a gentle touch, a thoughtful word is like making a deposit. And when hard times hit, you'll be withdrawing from that account. If you've made a lot of emotional deposits, your relationship can handle tough moments without collapsing. But if your account is empty, Even small arguments can feel overwhelming. So try this. Thank your partner sincerely. Give a quick hug. Listen all the way without interrupting. Say something nice, even when you're busy. These small things matter more than we realize. Fighting doesn't mean failure. In fact, healthy conflict and recovery make a relationship stronger. What keeps couples together isn't perfection. It's the ability to repair, reconnect, and grow through challenges. Here's a quick reminder of the 6 key takeaways. Pause when emotions are high. Express yourself with I statements. Be a team us versus the problem. Avoid the 4 horsemen. Have a repair talk after conflict. Make daily emotional deposits. Relationships don't survive because we never argue. They thrive because we learn how to come back together after we do. If you'd like more content like this to strengthen your mind and your relationships, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.